Hello. What's up, family? What's up? What's up? Okay. As you guys are coming in, just make sure you're smashing the like button. My voice is out. Make sure you're smashing the like button. Make sure you drop your location. Okay. Mr. Ola Aduroja from Ibadan is the first person to message me here today. Followed by Mr. Andy. How you guys doing? How you guys doing? I miss you guys. Like, honestly, I don't want to hold a live session today. But I just feel like, come on, I don't miss this, my people. I've missed you guys so much. So be like, come on, let me reach out. The information I want to pass right now, I can as well pass it in the signal channel and the private, even the public channel. I can pass the information I want to pass. But I decided not to pass it that way because I've missed you guys. I said, come on, let's do this. Come on, let's do this. Come on, let's do this. So how you guys doing? Let me welcome you one after the other. Let me welcome you one after the other. Let me welcome you. Okay, Mr. Olajuroja from Ibadan, the Walis from Lagos, the Priye Kujago from Port Harcourt, William Mutetwa from South Africa, Obasi, Regenus from Obasi, Nathaniel, City Forest from Asaba. So right now, I say good morning, my boss. Good morning, everyone from Edo State. Beautiful morning. As you're joining, make sure you're smashing the like button. How about Oladele? Say good morning. Where you joining us from? How about Oladele? Okay. So because of time, ladies and gentlemen, make sure you're smashing the like button. Remember, I always tell you it is absolutely free. You just smash it and then nothing's going to happen and everybody's going to win. Okay, Daniel say Daniel from Asaba. Good morning. Okay. Atochui, good morning, Chairman. Good morning. Atochui, join us from today. Okay, DAOM Empire, forever growing in profit. Forever growing in profit. Forever growing in profit. That's beautiful, Mr. Ola. Thank you for that. Okay, Albert from Ibadan. Okay. Let's welcome more people. Or should we just dive straight into the charts right now, ladies and gentlemen? Here I have with me the Euro USD, which I believe a lot of us are in this trade right now. So I did a video yesterday talking about this trade, and I told you that from the onset, you know, one thing about me is that when I drew this, it was when the market was around here that I draw this line. I said this market is coming back here, and from here you're going to see it rally up. So he actually came back and gave us some little rally up before the news take it down. So even when we want to now enter, I said it is possible that this we got our entry upon bouncing from this neckline here. That's the confirmation we used to get our entry. But I said let's go in slowly and our stop loss will also be wide. That is because I am sensing that Euro USD will still have some fulfillment to do. I don't know, maybe it will just start going up just like AUD USD. Look at AUD USD today. The USD is just tanking. Like this pair is kind of like, I don't know what to say. Like it's just giving me some kind of like, why did we leave this trade? Because look at it, he also has something to fulfill. He has this trend line to come and touch, and at the same time this little consolidation here, there's not any clear chart pattern that is telling us that this market wants to start doing a massive move to the downside, except for the fact that we can say we have a double top here, one top, second top. Do you understand? So but in the case of Euro USD, we just have to factor in everything that needed to be factored. And that was why we said even upon getting our entry confirmation here, which rally a little bit in profit, I said it, that is when I drew this. I said it might come to retest this trend line, and after this trend line it might still come to retest this psychological level 08500. You can see that is where a bottom line is, and lastly it might still come to retest this minor level. Ladies and gentlemen, if this market fulfill all these theory and still continue coming down, then I'll get out of this trade. In fact, that's where our stop loss is. But I still have a strong bias that upon testing this neckline, and if it's very funny, come and test here, whatever is going to do, we're going to get a change of like a chart pattern or something that will let us know that come on, this market wants to start rallying to the upside. And upon confirming that we have gotten another extra confirmation that this market is now ready to start rallying up, I will call another entry confirmation. Okay, I'll call another entry. So that's why just leave your trade to be running and stop looking at your MT4 or MT5. You have entered it, you know what you are risking, just forget it. Okay, that's the psychology to play around. Do you understand that my explanation, ladies and gentlemen? Do you understand? Let me know if you understand my explanation. I took you from Cameroon, DAOM Empire forever going in profit. Beautiful. Good morning, boss from Ojo, Lagos State. You see, you guys that are putting DAOM Empire forever going in profit, I respect you a lot. Like, come on, you guys are making me like, bless you so much. Paros Ibrahim say good morning, sir, from Gombe. How is Gombe? Ibuka Michael say good morning, sir, from Abuja. Okay. Good. How is Abuja today? Suraj Dada, thank you for letting me know that my explanation is clear. So that is one way to actually deal with this thing, and that is one way to also know that market will always be market. Number one, remember it's a C setup, it's not a B, neither is it a setup. If it was an A, if this market go here and I got a confirmation, that would be a very beautiful B setup. Okay, and even if it break below, I will get another confirmation that this market wants to start coming down here. This is a major level here, and guess what? If you get a confirmation that this market wants to start coming down here, it's going to be a B setup. This movement might be short, but it's going to make us a lot of money. And upon getting here, I will see what the reaction of the candle will also look like. If it's telling us that it wants to go up, we'll long from here. If it's telling us, if it break below and give us a confirmation that it wants to start coming down, we will also short it from here, and this is another major level target. So guys, let market do what it's going to do. We have a lot of opportunities in the market. It's just that we need to always know what we are risking. We must not always at any point in time over risk. We must always be within our proper risk management. Okay, what if let's say for instance I have a $10,000 prop firm account, I'm risking $200 on this trade. know that at all, what can ever happen is that you can lose $200 on this trade, and your account is still intact. You can still take other opportunities, and you can still do what? You can still make a lot of profit for yourself. Do you understand? So if you are always the type that your risk management is always, like, if this trade go, I'll make a lot of money. Some people will take some trade, and the trade will be running massively in profit, and they'll be regretting. They'll be regretting that they didn't use a big lot size. Just imagine it is other way around. So that is why it is always be like, regardless of whatever the pips the market want to give you, the only thing you can do if you want to make more money is to increase your account size. The only thing you can do that I am recommending, aside from the fact that when you go to a certain level, when you go to a certain level in this business, in this forex trading, there will be a day that you just wake up, you just feel like you have a lot of risk appetite to take that. You just be like, okay, let me just fund $500 into my XM broker, and then let me just take a day trade opportunity I see. And you just take a day trade opportunity you see, risking $500, and then you use a big lot size, and then sometimes it's possible you flip that $500 to $2,000. Sometimes you flip it even more than that, and sometimes you lose that money like that. So by then you have a lot of money to play around with. Then you can try a lot of things. In fact, there's a lot of things that I know now to you, because it might be too risky, because a lot of people here are still growing. Okay, so by the time a lot of people have a lot of money to play around with, you can always just be like, okay, let's do this, let's raise $500, let's raise $200, let's just let this $1,000 go, whatever it is. It's either you come back in profit or we lose it. So by the time you get to that stage, you can now be taking some crazy risk. Okay, but for now, that $500, $1,000 is a lot on your side, you have to always stick to your proper risk management. Okay, so and grow from little to big. Grow naturally from small to medium to big to large to extra large. I don't like when somebody is thinking slowly, like thinking small. I like when you think big, but I like when you grow naturally. Okay, so once you now discover, this is a lesson for you to know now, because I've said it from onset that this market is likely to fulfill all these things that I said is going to fulfill. All these things, it might touch here, it might touch here, and it might touch here. So you have to factor it, like, okay, what if this market is touching where this Mr. Diamond is going to touch? So hope I'm still cool, hope all this drawdown, hope things like that, hope I'll still be cool even if this trade hit the stop loss. So that's how to actually, because that is what is now going to be like, okay, even if you take a loss, now imagine this is like 300 pips. So even if we take a loss of 300 pips, and I am very careful, I know what I'm risking, what if another opportunity of 1,000 pips, 2,000 pips show up? Will I still be available to now get a payback from the loss that I've endured? So if you have over risked on that loss that happened, let's say you risk $200, your account is 200, you have a $10,000 account, you risk $200 on this 300, and let's say the trade didn't go in our way, or probably we hit our stop loss, which I pray it won't, by the grace of God, it's going to actually go up. So, but later we now discover another setup that's going to give us about 1,500 pips, and you're going to risk another $200 on that. So imagine, and that one has a tighter stop loss, maybe about 100 pips stop loss, and then you now use 100 pips to cash about $1,500 and 1,500 pips. That will pay for the losses you've had on the previous trade, and that will give you maximum more profit. Okay, so that's how to grow. So once you can grow like that, then you can now be like, okay, just like the guy that invested $49 to buy a $5,000 account and was able to withdraw almost $300. So that guy can confidently take like $169 to go and buy a $15,000 account and keep the remaining money to himself, like make I even something like, let me enjoy myself and things like that. So now he has reinvested back into the business. So now $169, now he still have a $5,000 account. Remember, that is still active and is going to start trading another 15,000. So now if somebody that was able to grow a $500 account and $5,000 account to 5,300 and something can possibly go a $15,000 account to maybe $16,000 to maybe $17,000. So if he is able to do that, that's like $2,000 profit. You can now withdraw that again and be like, okay, let me go for $100,000 prop firm. Do you understand? So you can scale up naturally and grow naturally like that. Do you understand, ladies and gentlemen? So that is why risk management is very, very intact. Don't risk all your trade. Don't risk all your money on one particular trade. Don't risk unless you have abundance of money that if this one go, I'll find another money. That is when you can take crazy risk like that. Okay, so but for now, let's grow naturally. Okay, so whatever this thing is doing, we should be very, very cool. Okay, because I've said it from onset that there is likely for this market to do what, to keep coming down, to test here or to test here or to come and test here. You can see it was still a dotted line from here that I draw it here. This was the first one I draw, that it might touch the trend line, it might come and touch this psychological level, and it might come and touch this minor level before we start seeing that massive move. So if this pair is now doing all of these things, we just need to be cool because we have prepared down that it might do all of those things. Okay, so there's no need to be like, oh, what's going on? No, just be calm. In fact, as a matter of fact, just let your MT4 and MT5 be. Don't keep checking it. So let it just be. The only thing you can keep checking is your chart. Okay, it's still doing that, it's still doing that. And when we get a confirmation chart pattern or any confirmation that this market wants to start rallying up, if it is here or here, I will just say like, guys, let's get another entry opportunity. So but it won't be, but somebody that have over risk won't be able to have another entry opportunity, because by the time this thing is now going to take off from the bottom to start going up, the people that had another entry opportunity will now start making profit all the way up, and once it get to their earliest entry, profit becomes double and then it start going to the upside. Do you understand my explanation, ladies and gentlemen? Do you understand my explanation, ladies and gentlemen? Yeah, thank you. Forever we're growing in profit, forever we're growing in profit. Let's keep saying that all along. Loss of signal. Hey guys, what's up? What's happening to my mic is on? Let me even do something like this. My mic is on and it's good. Hello? Okay. Hello? My mic is on and it's good. Okay. Somebody say we should continue. Mr. Maulana also say we should continue. Okay. Okay, beautiful. Okay, so that's the point I'm trying to make, ladies and gentlemen. Okay, beautiful. That's the point I'm trying to make, ladies and gentlemen. Okay, so hold on, give me a minute. Okay, so that is the point I'm trying to make with you guys. So now, guys, let's now look at you see that one thing I need you to understand is that even with the fact that it's still rallying down, he was still respecting some of those things. So look at it. And another thing is that, guys, keep your cool. The reason why I say you should keep your cool is this. The reason why I say you should keep your cool is this. Number one, we have a news coming up today. News is actually going to actually make this thing to stop taking our time. If you want to go down, it should go down. If you want to go up, it should go up. News is going to actually instigate the movement today. That's one. Number two is NFP is coming up tomorrow. So the NFP coming up tomorrow is going to actually reset most of the charts. So they are going to actually do what they want to do. They are going to be like, don't waste our time, do what you want to do, let me go. So things like that is going to happen. So regardless, let's be patient. Opportunity, joy is coming, and more joy, more joy is coming. So let's just be patient. Patient is part of the strategy to keep being profitable and keep winning, and to be forever growing in profit with DAOM Empire. So now on gold, ladies and gentlemen, gold, no comment on gold for now. In fact, as a matter of fact, this is the way I'll be looking at gold until tomorrow that I want to trade NFP by God's grace. NFP is tomorrow. I won't say more than that. So GBP USD is also not ready. Oh, GBP USD is looking like it's want to be ready. If GBP USD can get to a minor level, then we can look for any opportunity that comes here. Is it and one thing about GBP USD is that when it gets to this place, it wants to go down, it's going to probably give us some chart pattern. Okay, so let's be on the lookout for GBP USD. BTC USD is not just ready now. So 100 is not ready. GBP JPY is not ready. GBP CHF is not ready. You know, all of them, you just keep looking at them. By next week, a lot of all these pairs are going to be ready due to the fact that NFP is going to push them. Do what you want to do, let us know. So add that about that. Any question, ladies and gentlemen, we're done for today. Any question, ladies and gentlemen? Oh, Juliana, you're welcome. We've missed you. Jennifer, how you doing? These my people where I don't miss. I just see them today. Kyle, good morning. I've missed you too. Kyle, I've missed you. Where is Kanye? I've not seen Kanye this morning too. Those are my people. I've missed you guys. Is anyone no louder? I'm not loud in it. You guys know we do it. I'm not loud in it. We give a clear instruction tomorrow in the premium signal channel, and we'll make the profit as usual. It is always NFP will always favor people that will listen to my instruction 100%. Not people that will be following their emotions. Oh, hey, it's going up. Hey, it's going down. Hey. NFP is very crazy. It's going to mess with people that don't work on their emotions. So, but for people that are smart, they'll just be like, I know what I'm risking. And whatever Mr. Diamond says I should do is the only thing I'm going to do. And for people that will do like that, trust me, ladies and gentlemen, they will be happy and they will forever be going in profit by God's grace. So that's that about that, ladies and gentlemen. Can we call it a day? If you know, you can call it a day. If you don't have any question, put it in the chat box that bye. Oh, thank you for saying that, Juliana. Ladies and gentlemen, we discovered that people have started, using our name to scam people, creating a Telegram channel in our name and then forming to be us and things like that. Number one thing is that DAOM Empire have never once said you should pay for anything. I will never ask you to pay. Even mentorship, you don't pay for mentorship. Neither do you pay for signal. Neither do I do. Never can I say since I've started this DAOM Empire that I say you should bring money, let me trade for you. I have seen a lot of people that come to me that come bring money, that Mr. Diamond, let me give you this money, or let me buy this account, you should trade it for me. I usually tell them, don't ever bring such offer to me. My internet. I always tell them, don't ever bring this offer to me, because why can't you trade yourself? Why can't you trade yourself? Why will you be saying, after all, trading is not like a one heavy lifting job. All you need to do is to just press a button, enter figures, press button, finish, and follow the instruction. So maybe you are the type that you cannot be able to discipline yourself, you do whatever you are not supposed to do in your trade, then you go and work more on yourself. But if you are the type that you're going to follow instruction, why do you need somebody to be trading for you? Probably because you are busy. This create time for when you not be busy. Okay, so I have never said, come bring money, let me trade for you. No, I did those mistakes early when I was just starting forex, and I'll never do such mistake again. What's wrong with this my internet? And this information I'm passing right now is very, very important. My internet better be good, better be excellent, better be good, better be excellent. Okay, but whichever way, let me still quickly pass this information. Probably you will get it later if you're not getting it right now due to poor network. But this is it. I will never ask anybody to pay me money for mentorship, not for signals, not for trading for you. I've never done that. The only requirement I have is that fund your home broker with a recommended link. Then another thing is that fund your broker with a recommended link. That's number one. Then buy a prop firm with a recommended link. So any of these will give you the opportunity to do what? To have access to our premium signal channel and mentorship channel for a lifetime. Okay, so we've seen that some people have started creating an account in our name, trying to scam people. Be wise, so be wise. That's all I can say. Be what? Be wise. Then anytime you spot anyone like that, if you spot it, quickly send me message, quickly screenshot it to me, quickly send me the link, so that we can collectively kill that channel, kill that, that idea, kill the person doing it, not kill it in real life, but kill that way is using to propaganda and to propagate all those rubbish. Okay, so when you spot it, quickly let me know. Okay, so but we are going to prevail. Normally, if you are not going big, nobody's going to think about cloning us, nobody's going to think about using our name, because I remember all these are bosses today too. They are dealing with people like that. So that's to let us know too that we are actually growing. But in as much as we are growing, it doesn't mean that people should not use their name to start doing rubbish. So we have to quickly put an end to it immediately we spot it. Now that guy that did it yesterday is also in my public channel. I've removed him, and then at the same time we have reported the page, and I'm sure that the page is down right now. So that is what we need to keep doing. We have to be collectively like this to be to continue to grow massively and successfully. So that's that about that. Thank you for the person. The person just told me that the idea I called today was what he make money from, and is in a loss right now. It's like, me call idea today, regardless you make profit or loss, I don't care. Me call idea, screenshot to me. Before I discover that some people have started using my name, and they will tell you to come and invest if you go and fall into that victim, I'm sorry, you are gullible. Better don't be gullible. Don't look for any cheap way to make money, rather look for a legitimate way to make money. Okay, so God bless every one of us. Thank you for now, and bye bye, see you tomorrow, NFP. So that be all, sha. Let me end the live session. Thank you.